Hey guys, it is Leanne again. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Please like and subscribe to show your support and to see other content just like this. Go ahead and watch another video created by us. Yeah. What in the...
Home Sweet Home by Lee and Ruse.
Your home is your greatest asset. It is your comfort, protector, and your shield. It's the place you go when the world gets too loud and you just want to hide. Care for your home as it cares for you.